Today I'm going to show you how to make money using the Cryptocom app. We're talking active income, we're talking passive income, and you can punch our code in and get 25 bucks for free. My name is Vosker on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. This isn't some random video. I've been using Crypto.com for years. I don't know, 2020 is maybe when I started after they rebranded from, Monaco to Crypto.com. What a URL to buy. One of the most annoying, but also kind of genius domains ever created. Let's jump into another fun video, but first, we're going to talk about our resident Doge here. Tails, our super sheep. By the way, Demon Slayer Season 2, fire. I'm going to walk you through using the app here because I don't actually use the Crypto.com web exchange. I only use the Crypto.com app. But basically, you click our link, you download the app, you put in code VoskCoin. That's required to get the $25 sign-up bonus. I'll talk more about that later in the video. Once you do that, you got to complete your sign-up, make an account. There is KYC, as should be expected with a centralized cryptocurrency exchange. And that also makes it easy to connect your accounts and say transfer dirty dollars and trade them into Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies, and bang, there you go. So I'm in the app, I'm on the home page here. You can change your favorites, monitor whatever coins that you want to monitor. You can see my balance at the top, and we scroll down, we can see the top gainers. Today's a pretty red day, but I'm hopeful for green days in the future. On average, year over year, cryptocurrencies continue to go up. But yet, one of the top gainers is literally a small loser. Welcome to today's market. We scroll down to the bottom. It's always good to check for updates. New listings, deposits, withdrawals, enabled. See, there's a coin. There's another new listing. Partnerships. Well, that can be exciting if you're holding their Crow, Crypto.com coin here. If you don't know, Crypto.com and Crow launched their own entire blockchain, right? Cronos. So we'll talk about that another day. It's not really all that relevant today, other than just you can buy that coin within this application, the Crypto.com app, and withdraw onto that chain. So it's just the Crow coin, right? But let me go to my wallet. So I click that center icon. I go to Crypto Wallet, and from here I go to the Cronos coin. Once it loads, and I can click on transfer. I can withdraw external wallet, and then from here I can add an address. For example, crypto.org, ERC20 token, or what is the most interesting here, the Cronos network. If I wanted to complete a withdrawal for this or anything else, right, I'd put in the address, I'd put in a wallet name. It would prompt me to confirm with my 2FA or two-factor authentication or email approval. They also support blockchain domains, and you can use paystring in here, for example. But once you do that, then it's good to go, and then you proceed to withdraw, and that's it. You can try to swipe your credit card. It probably won't work. Most likely you're going to be swiping your debit card, and depending on your approval and account history, you'll have a limit there. They have a really high approval for your cards in here compared to most cryptocurrency exchanges. You can also buy with your just crypto wallet. So for example, I got some Nervos Network CKB in here. I could sell that and be buying CKB, or I could head over to my fiat wallet. You can see I've got 932 bucks in there. I could buy whatever Crow amount I want. They do have minimum buys and very high limit maximum sells for reference, but that's really the basics of getting started. What I think one of the most interesting things here is the Crypto.com app's earn feature. So you click the center icon and you go to earn. And from there, it brings up the earn tab. And there's a lot that you can do here. So for example, I can come in here and add whatever cryptocurrency I want to. I've got some Crow. So I could do a flexible term, 1 month, 3 month, and I have an increasing interest rate there. So let me just show you an example. I'll just do the flexible rate, right? And just 2%. It's not much, but it's honest work. You can put in, so there's going to be a minimum, right? So let's say I want to put in 200 coins. Well, that's below the minimum. This is a common problem I have with their app. Absolutely sucks sometimes. Yeah. So it's not, great experience. So let's back out and try it again. And then we'll go ahead and transfer the Flex in, the Flex 500 Crow deposit. We will confirm that. and very easy, very quickly, it'll be confirmed. It'll hit you with Robinhood Green, so you know you're good to go. And just like that, it will pop up here. What's really cool about their app, make you feel just cool, I guess, right? Is you see your total earnings of all time. So I've had numerous completed terms in here, and it adjusts your earnings in, semi-real time. So if I had earned $2,000 worth of coins, but then they went up in value later on, it would show I earned $4,000. Great if you still have those cryptocurrencies, awful feeling if you sold too soon. Also, if you sell above that, well, then I guess you sold at a good time. A lot of people put stable coins in here. It's a great opportunity to earn passive income on an asset that's not really going up or down. As you can see here on screen, there's multiple cards, multiple tiers, and different staking amounts, and Crow unlock different cards. These cards come with different benefits. I thought they were going to phase out the Spotify bonus, or the free Amazon, or the free Netflix and chill bonus. But those all still remain years later. They've been holding strong on that, even though they, for example, have been adjusting Crypto.com earn rates and even how much you can deposit before you get diminished returns, which is recently updated with a $30,000 tier. If you're under that, don't sweat it. If you're starting to put some serious cash in here, then that may affect you and decrease your earnings. But good news, there's a missions feature now, which is pretty cool. So I can check in to go ahead and unlock the missions. And just like that, I got a whole diamond. Let's go. We head over to the store. We can grab a mystery box, but I ain't got enough budget for that. We can look into our vault and we can see that I purchased multiple mystery boxes for 25 diamonds a piece. So you buy and sell $500 worth of crypto in a day, you get 60 diamonds. And so let's have some fun, and let's go ahead and open a box here, right? So what I'm going to need to do is I need to sell $500 worth of crypto. It's down in the last 24 hours. Seems like a terrible time to sell, but guess what? I'm here for science. Yeah. And so what we'll do, we'll punch in 1,500 Crow, that's over $500, and we will just sell it for dirty dollars. How dare you? Well, guess what? That's what we did. And I wonder if it still counts when you sell for dollars on your missions, as opposed to just actually trading cryptocurrencies. It may not count. And just like that. So it does count. We can go ahead and study some crypto, which is down there, a little crypto university down here. How are stable coins and how do they work? Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, we got videos on that. So we skipped along. Are we going to be able to kind of skate by and get approval for that? Doesn't look like it, but let's go ahead and grab our diamonds. Oh, yeah, we're diamond up now. Let's grab, boom. Let's get a mystery box. Let's redeem it. Silver box, let's go. We just got a whopping 50 cents. Oh, yeah. Let's. What do we got now? Bronze box? Oh, silver box. Let's go. All right. 35 cents. One more. Come on. Ooh, silver box again. No bronze today. And so, very climactic. After trading $500 of cryptocurrency, you too could earn one bonus dollar. You could say, I guess it's better than nothing, but what I'd like to see is Crypto.com improve their spread. While Crypto.com says they have no fees, let me show you something. And I understand, a basic spread, this and that, and whatever, but let's just look at what happens. So I just went ahead and sold 1,500 Crow for $563. Right, so I've got some dollars in my account here. Let's say I want to buy Crow, and I'll go to my fiat wallet, and I want to buy 1,500 Crow. That would cost me $575.87. The price has not made a drastic change since I've started recording this. And so what you can see there is just a very quick loss on the spread. Like, spread should be a couple bucks. I mean, they freaking own the coin. It's got millions and millions of dollars of liquidity just in this exchange alone. And so really, you say, how does Crypto.com make their money? They make their money on the spread. So nothing's for free. And you do best to remember that. That's probably my biggest gripe with the app. I have to make good gains on the coins I buy to actually realize profits. You start doing a bunch of little mini micro trades. You little day trader. Well, be careful, because you could be in for a little bit of a rough time. I will say though that I've absolutely really enjoyed the experience using Crypto.com because of all of the assets that they support. Let's run through some of those. And I'm not going to just run through literally all of them, right? But I'll scroll through this list and talk about a few. For example, they were pretty early to support Helium HNT, which I was super excited about. They were quick to jump on the Shiba bandwagon, and they've supported some airdrops along the way, like Songbird and a few other airdrops. They had Graph early when Graph was pumping a year or two ago, but nobody really talks about that anymore. I didn't sell quite at the top, but I was fortunate to make some money on that. Kusama, right, a bunch of other cryptocurrencies. They support Nervos Network, CKB. They just really are a leader in cryptocurrency token support in comparison with something like Coinbase or Gemini. Just, these US regulated, very slow, very stagnant cryptocurrency exchanges where like they support Digibyte, which Ocean Protocol, Lisk, Injective Protocol, XYL, Vulcan Forge, PYR, Radium. A lot of these are newer cryptocurrencies or super old ones that not everyone's really talking about, right? Orchid, OXT, I guess that's supported by numerous exchanges. Beefy Finance, right? They also support multiple blockchains, which is pretty cool. So, for example, if you had some BNB or BUSD, right, you could, which is the Binance dollar, you could go ahead and just not only buy that in the app, right, but you could withdraw it onto the BEP as a BEP20 token onto the BNB Smart Chain. You could deposit BUSD BEP20. And most cryptocurrency exchanges only support ERC20, which is the Ethereum blockchain. And so I think what you'll find is that this app can really serve as like a one-stop shop. It's one of my most recommended apps for newcomers and even veterans of cryptocurrency to just really open up the door to so many different cryptocurrency plays. You can track coins in here, acting like a little mini portfolio app, right? And there's just so much you can do here. At the end of the day, something like this is a tool to help you make money. And the more just, utility this tool has, the more opportunities quite literally here at your fingertips. So that's really my quick overview of how to make money with the Crypto.com app. Above all, it's getting into it, getting started, and then buying the cryptocurrencies you want to buy or that everyone's talking about, they're going up, or you think have great fundamentals and you're going to bet on that for them to go up in the future. It's not financial advice, but I'm not trying to brag or anything, but I've made a lot of money with the Crypto.com app. I'm not talking about referrals. I'm talking about having the opportunity, to buy and trade a lot of different cryptocurrencies that were difficult for me to acquire as a U.S. citizen. Furthermore, I mine some altcoins into Crypto.com and I trade those coins into other coins or dump them for dirty dollars or stable coins, whatever I want to do at that time. It gives me a lot, just a lot of utility. One of the biggest mistakes I see people making cryptocurrency is not being on all of the cryptocurrency exchanges they can. It opens the door for more trades, more plays. Just like more of those doors will open for you if you subscribe to the VoskCoin YouTube channel, punch in the VoskCoin code, get $25 for free. You do have to stake their crow to unlock that, but hey, in retrospect, everyone who listened to us last time we talked about that made a lot of money. Again, it's not financial advice, but it is subscriber advice. You better slap that subscribe button. I'll see you on the next one we upload daily. Thanks for watching. Please be advised, there are scammers impersonating us on multiple platforms. I don't want your money. I just want you to smash that subscribe button. Everything in this video is for entertainment purposes only. That means it's not financial advice.